So what are you doing?
I am trying to come up with 298. I need 297 grams of water.
4.
Let's try this again. Oh, I'm making soap. 292.
So I'm starting my coconut.
Oh, yeah?
And I did realize that it was taking an excessive time for it to melt as compared to last time when we used half the amount. But
Well, we did double it, right?
yeah, we doubled it. But you know, it seems like it would still take approximately the same time, maybe twice as long, but it took a lot longer. And that's when I realized that last batch, I unplugged it, forgot to plug it back in. So it's going to start melting now.
Yeah.
It's supposed to.
Yeah. Just stir that coconut, honey. Be careful, they say. Don't splatter this, they say. Don't get this all over the place, they say. Yeah, I see steam. It's working. Well, be careful and being careful not to splash. Once it's mixed, then we use the immersion blender for 4 to 5 minutes until it is opaque and starting to thicken. Why do I have something floating? I got a floaty! Why do I have a floaty? We're done blending. It's awfully thick, and now we're going to pour it into our ghetto mold. Yeah, I think we're going to need another batch, or 2 or 3. Ooh, I get to design already. That's designed enough. So this is what we got so far, which is interesting. And then Kelly's got a very different color, even though we use the same ingredients. His is much brighter yellow. Here we go. See the difference?
Then I grab the spatula to scrape that.
As she says in royalty soaps, scrapey, scrapey. Yes, we've been watching videos on this.
She's my idol. As far as soap making goes.
No wonder she layers the soaps. Because then she can use smaller containers.
Okay, moving.
No, gotta get it all. So what kind of design are you going for? Done?
Whatever it comes out as. The icing design. Icing on a cake.
Need to get some up in that corner. Oh yeah, she taps it. Picks it up and taps it on the table.
Yeah. That makes sense. It definitely
Even it out.
Yeah. With a spatula, you're not going to get it even.
Oh well, the top is supposed to be a little lumpy, but you still have a.
Lumpies.
You got a hill here.
It is not hilly.
Yeah, it is.
On your side it looks hilly. This side is not. Yeah, and this part where the whole thing is whoosh.
Okay, it's less hilly now.
That does look like a cake.
Don't run it! I'm not really good in the camera. Fix it back.
It's perfect.
No, it's not.
Oh, jeez, that's why you make your own soap. So you do your own thing. We're gonna have to each individual make our own soaps. Don't touch my soap.
So we're looking at about 10 bars of soap wide, and I think we can get 2 lobes out of this. So that's 20 bars of soap for about $15, maybe.